Once you unbox your Ultimaker 2, it's almost ready to make its first print. If you missed our unboxing video, please make sure to click the link. Now I will take you to the first print process. Do some simple calibrations, load your Ultimaker with print filament and start your first print. In total, this video should only take 5 minutes and you end up with a running Ultimaker. The first time you switch on your Ultimaker 2, you should be welcomed by this following message. The number in the corner indicates that it takes 21 steps to finish the wizard. When you continue, your Ultimaker 2 asks you in step 4 to rotate the button till your nozzle is a millimeter away from the build plate. During the calibration process, the Ultimaker 2 will move its print head and build plate. It's to you to perform these instructions and to confirm on the screen what you've just done by pressing continue. Check if the nozzle is a millimeter away from the build plate at the front left corner. Rotate the left build plate screw under the build plate to control the height between the nozzle and the build plate. When finished, press continue. Do the same for the right corner and press continue. We are going to do this again to fine-tune the build plate. Make sure you have a piece of paper within reach and press continue to go to the next step. Tune the build plate till you feel a little bit of resistance. Follow the display instructions as demonstrated in this video and tune the build plate screw till you feel a little bit of resistance. Continue when you notice that the distance is right. Tuning your build plate is important. If you don't do this right, the material will not come out or just will not stick to the surface of the build plate during printing. After you've finished leveling your build plate, we can continue and insert filament material. Your Ultimaker 2 needs to heat up, but this will only take a minute. The progress bar indicates how long it will take to heat up. Your Ultimaker asks you to insert material on the rear of your Ultimaker 2. Look at the back and insert the filament that came with your Ultimaker. You might have to use a little bit of force to put it in until you feel the feeder grips the filament. Wait until the material passes the first black clip and then push the continue button at the front of the Ultimaker 2. When you see your filament exiting the nozzle, you can press continue and go to the next step. In the following steps, you have to select the filament that you just inserted into your Ultimaker 2. The type of material is notified with a sticker on the spool. Select and confirm this by using the rotation wheel next to the display. Your Ultimaker 2 is now calibrated and ready to make its first print. Make sure your SD card is inserted in the SD card slot. Select the file on the SD card and click the rotation wheel to print this file. If you run into difficulties not covered in this video, please feel free to contact Ultimaker's support team through phone, email, website or online community. See you later.